Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm here with a very exciting video. So today, as I am filming this, hopefully as you are watching this as well, it is my 19th birthday! I am so excited! I have been waiting for my birthday for a while now, because right after my birthday, something really exciting happening. I'm going on a little trip with my dad and my stepmom to an asylum to do a tour, and I'm super excited, but we're not here for that today, unfortunately. Today we are here for my birthday Sephora haul. So placed an order the other day on Sephora.com because I'm not about leaving my house to go into public to do shopping. I prefer online shopping. But yeah, so I got my box of goodies. It's kind of messy because this is the third time I filmed this because my camera wants to be stupid. But yeah, so I'll start, I guess, by telling you a little bit about my day. If you don't know, I'm filming this on September 13th. That's my birthday. I was born September 13th, 1999. Yeah, so I'm 19. I spent my day at school for lunch. Me and two of my friends and I. Give me one. Sorry about that. Anyways, two of my friends and I went to a place called Shogun, and we got hibachi for lunch, and that's one of my favorite foods ever. I love it so much. And then, well, it's not really a food, it's a variety of foods cooked on like a, what's it called, like a grill kind of thing, right in front of you usually. Sometimes it's not. But yeah, so we did that, and then after school my grandma and I went to our favorite restaurant, and I got a waffle, which, if you guys don't know, waffles are my favorite food in the entire world right now. I am obsessed with waffles and I love them a lot. And yeah, so I got a waffle. And then, because we're there like multiple times a week, every week, we know everyone there, so they all knew it was my birthday because they saw it on my Facebook. And so they sang to me, and I got a piece of banana cream pie, which is my absolute favorite kind of dessert. And yeah. So then I came home, not expecting my package to be here because it was supposed to come tomorrow, but it was here. How exciting is that? I mean, that just makes everything better when a package comes early, you know? It's like a kid on Christmas. So yeah, let's just get started with what I got. I got the box on the floor, and we're just going to get started. So the first thing I got is the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Nude Lip. And it's a $72 value, but it was only $28. And it comes with 2 full-size lipsticks, or like lip products, and then 3 travel size. So I'll start with the travel size ones first. These are all like in the nude variety. Obviously, that's why they call it the Give Me Some Nude Lip. I'm done with myself sometimes. Alrighty, so the first one is the Makeup Forever Artist Matte Liquid Matte in the color 105. Yeah, the color 105. This is what it looks like. I think it's really pretty. I'm excited to try it out. I didn't like any of their like bright colored ones. I've tried a couple of these. Not really been a fan when I've tried them before, but I'll give it another shot. Who knows? Then I got one of the Buxom Full On Lip Cream in the color Dolly. I'm not swatching anything, by the way, because I'm wearing a new dress. I don't want to get anything on it. But it's in like a pinky nude. I've not tried Buxom products before, so I'm excited to try those out. Then from Tarte, I got the Beach Babe. I guess it's just a lipstick. color slash lipstick. And I think it's so cute. It's a little tiny baby size. I like the packaging a lot. It's like a blue marble kind of look. And then it came with 2 full-size products. So the 2 full-size products that I got was the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the color Caramello. I've tried one of these lipsticks, Stay All Day lipsticks before. I have one in my bathroom. I just got it in like a Birchbox just a couple weeks ago, and I really like it. It wasn't this color though, so I'm excited to try this color. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Oh, I have like a little skeleton little ghost thing hanging on my like secretary's door over here, and the fan's on, and I saw just like this little flash of like a blackish brown kind of thing out of the corner of my eye, but I can't see the full like skeleton dude. And I just saw that and it scared me. So it was like, what is that? My dogs are over here on the couch, so I knew it wasn't them. I'm paranoid. Then from Huda, I can't speak. Huda, I don't know how to say that. Huda, I think it's that. Beauty liquid matte. I got the liquid matte lipstick in the color Trendsetter. I've not tried anything from this brand either. It's like a dark nude. It smells so good too. These all smell really good, and I'm really excited to try them. I need to slow down when I speak, and I need to enunciate. That's what I need to do. So then the 3 sample things that I got was the Tarteist lip paint, and it has 3 different ones. I've tried this line of lipsticks before, and I love it. But I've not tried these colors. It's Exposed, Bounce, and Goals. Then I got a sample of the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And one of these Stellar Little Limitless Foundations. There's 4 here. And then speaking of those Tarteist lip paints, I actually got a full-size one of those. It's not in one of those colors. I got the color Birthday Suit. I got it as my birthday gift last year in a little travel size with a blush, and I loved it so much, and I just decided to get the full size of it because I really do love it. So I should be stocked up on lipstick for a good while. I love the smell of this. It smells so minty and fresh. Then for my birthday gift this year, I forget what the other option was, but you could choose between 2. But I chose the Bite Beauty little thing. It's a trio. There is a little lip balm and sugar lip scrub right here, like a little sample of it, which I'm looking for a good lip scrub, so I'm excited to try that. If you guys have any suggestions for lip scrubs, let me know. And then a little, oh no, mine's broke. Aww. I got a little lipstick. I'm going to fix it. And it's in the color Chai. But the little dude was broken. It's really pretty though. I'm excited to try that. Maybe I can fix him. And then I got the matte cream lip crayon as well in the color Glaze. I've not tried anything from Bite Beauty either, so excited for that. And then I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette. I've been wanting this for like a year, and I finally just decided to get it because I want it so bad. And yeah, so here is what the colors all look like. I'm excited to try them, especially like these 2 right here. They look so pretty. Sorry, I'm like rushing. My phone's about to die, which is what I record on. Then I got a set of like hair products, so I'm just going to go through these quickly. I got the Moroccan Oil Protect and Prevent Spray, a Way Hair Care Anti-Frizz Hair Sheet, a Bumble & Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Shampoo and Conditioner, a Christoph Robin regenerating mask that has rare prickly pear seed oil in it, the Living Proof Prime Style Extender, the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo, the Moroccan Oil Shampoo and Conditioner in Moisture and Shine. Camera, focus. The Alterna Hair Care Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter for medium to thick hair. And the Marijo, I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that, Hair Care Nourishing Cleansing Cream and Deep Treatment Butter. So yeah, that is everything I got. I will try to link as many things as I can below. I don't think I'll be able to link the hair products unless I do it like individually, because this set was one of their weekly like beauty insider kind of things where you just put in a code at the end and get it. But I'll try to link everything individually if I can. And yeah, so just check the description box for everything. And yeah, but I'm gonna get off here and change into my pajamas and go and relax for the rest of the night. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys had a lovely day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.